And the net akata anymore. It's in foot trunk.
Aha, I didn't know worry, mammy.
So we do it to a Fretoni sack, our Accra Spintex, and answer Kumase Fretoni sack, our Doom a Bay Methodist Church.
Property. Papa Preco.
If I shall plan, I may shut your bag.
Brade, and not so good.
Not tell me about Michelle, see about Queen Wayne say.
Bra, said your time about Mister, as your Jimmy fearful, and Nadia about ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Bra, some make us a maybe time about Mister Wandansia, reassigning our Ebertiminka, 87 malaria, where drawn time about Mister.
I never go, dear, and no more to want to me any deal. What drawn a time about Mister? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through, dear one mark or down for any aquada when you fear to me, and son of the time about Mr. Draybino. Shasta Wako Hospital and Nasa Lab, I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me a TIME. Time about Mister. I feel malaria fever the other is Ziva, a woman, ever Ubenya be at all, ever over the counter medicine sellers, and they have a shop to do an FDA Aji a judging cratway at all.
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3 variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Wineland. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
SHS 1, 2, and 3 admissions have started at St. Andrews Senior High School, and I have good news. Have you finished PEC and not been placed in a school of your choice? Do you want to rewrite your WASI? Have you been posted far from home? Have you been placed in a day school but you prefer a boarding school? Or you have not been placed at all? Don't worry, just hear me out. Your best bet is St. Andrews Senior High School, a grade A SHS with excellent facility and a wonderful teaching and learning atmosphere. We offer general art, business, home economics, agri science, general science, and visual art. We are located at Accra, Asinfosu, New Edubiase, Dunkwa Ofin, Takradi Shama, Mankasim, and Seshi Asawenso. St. Andrews Senior High School, we are always in the lead.
Poku, na obi ayeko baby na otu odu nse suma no te se de yenko baby
aha nana kasachre wadamfo no enansen ommo ne ho modin sempo wo mpem na se wan pedra obekọ beba no ne dansi wona nipa nim
nana mayenko na menko penkuhini ene nubina bi menu anom so obai se wo ko die nkohini ne enubina ebra donek heba mister ewo ho diamond scientific heba fo ene de aba eye mama dro papa adwuma say yesisie mu adwuma ene sa bo nkomo ho ban busu immune system we die ko pebi to ba bia tonto adro pia na nyana ana akodom na se tumase ne oboase kwantempo no so one abot college ene die nimhwe ne china sese obedi ho dance we die nana me dase me turu ho da ago na Adeakye muda so da
Adeakye afeni asori o ene wa man we die me dase what solve me problem ya me papa kai we dey menya nko
Donek heba mister eye memedro obi a onya mfinche du wato nka ho upebi ato afre 0246 727677 and 0200 844040 FDA ajeje den krato yatum.
Let's choice your favorite.
Mama. See what they brought to our local market. Mama's Choice Macro. But the bon coin de be now just for the divine when propose and mamia. Near Bekesha. For my dear mamia. Hey, Yama. Oh my God, I love this. Mama's Choice Macro. I'm not queen why you sure my son's why there. So make a true. Ah, now what are you calling?
Mama's choice, your favorite.
Never. The Akabian Yamapa, what do you do? And we need Mama's choice. Now, Papa. Ubedisa.
Mama's choice, your favorite.
FDA ati ejodi enkratwe atumu.
Look around. Home also need a makeover. Oh, mine clearly does. So we went to Ashfoam and found the Como collection. It had everything we're looking for and more. Merchant furniture for the entire home, designed with you in mind.
Where's Como collection? Dressing up is just a breeze. Always ready with a perfect accessory.
A magic dressing mirror. One look, and you're ready to face the world. Or at least the kids.
A bed perfect for young men who want
A table that turns into a treasure chest.
And finally, a sofa with this grand TV unit for family time at home.
Head over to any Ashfoam store now and discover the new Como collection. Ashfoam, feel it, know it.
Ghana for yeah dia sempana mo China City abe PM wo Kumase odono wo kwada so omo be Star Junction hwa one Pentecost asori no ene die ne mo hwe na wode fie ne omapa ne nyina ebia beja se ye nkonwa enkoda toys wine cosmetics awodo kitchen equipment ene afie ne oma bia China City omo nuoma ye papa na ne buon so da fom enti wo kone nam kwatoto nuoma bia won kwanchan a ene na wo ha wo ho bobo wo sika no na bra China City bedi Japa na mo honto China City share Jumase 8th of May 2025 anopa no nwotwempa mu 8:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. ye bibia jasu enya fre na wo beto neoma na wakodi line so bibia ni afre 0538959555 China City, the ultra modern city in Kumasi.
Finish work for me.
Sompa.
Good morning, Kumasi, Asantuma, Ghana, and across the globe. This is Adeakye Abia coming your way from Adabraka, the 21st Clinic, top floor. My name is Omanhene Yaw, Boakye, and this is Adeakye Abia.
Good morning, Omanhene.
Nice jacket.
Me that's it.
Yes, I am a kata.
Yes, I'm a chin.
Oh, coffee, dear, no, Koya.
You are not necessarily a pretty Mrs. You.
Sir, eti aboma de na katampa.
Oh, meji oh yeah.
Okay, when it comes to work, you can be rest assured. Ti yawanya kata. Okay. Yeah, I'll get well soon, my bro. Anyway, Interior Minister yeah there during the weekend. Ghana for nyina bona baso. Na ni nyina ne say emofran kitinkiti ya omne nam krom sresra de. Ebi mukuta soso bi kuta sekan na sen ne kon ho. Ni jefo ni bi. Me ba so me bamba just say omo yes ade no omo wa kire omo akọ no ye sankwala na omo hye gugu ma ya fia o gina ha no ma be ball ka mu ebi asati titwi
ase omo
odi omo ka na omo maame no mo te e ho no no omo kogigi scan e ba ne ade no nkwala be 2000 ene omo maame nom ya bande wo mo nyina say ye de omo ko omo krom
omo frɛ he
ebi free Niger Chad most of the time Niger ni Chad yes
no mo kyerɛ ma obi project
oh asante now asem we maka me say obi na kwose sa omo begu ha alaji ni haji afo ni bi omo kwose sa omo begu ha edumre bi na children's park inside hon and kwala ne da omo bo tent eti kwala no pa be 6 ni anoa mo da sen kakraka na mo no ne hye ehwie mu ni go a
wa anyere ho ani
no ma hwie stew na guso no meat ti kwala kitikiti no so wa anyere ho a eti obi ho no ma na tadiem
no de agum
no ate mo no be no ahwie mu na agum no de akogina ba bi adwo a wadi eye survival of the fittest o eye meka ne say ye hyem kwala na ne din bia ti san kwala we da bia na me si jataburu wa na ye wo mo because ensuo ta ebu wo mo ewie ebu wo mo enkrofo eye o ma yakayaka de ye tiatia wo mo eti onyina oni abadaye o sa kwala we onyini no odwa osekan a onyine ho ena onye Ghana ni oniu
and and hu a
enti no oni mercy ena oba e Ghana ni onyini ni Ghana for so aye no yojom yo kai freko ni ade enti oni atema bia ma Ghana ni
na mo ayi do mo kon ho na so do mo kon ho
omo kwa de
omo de baby free
omo no ebi free o na kwala bia omo no na edum ye do
debi eduma wura bia ni ho
na kwala ai aso gunu ko no bu asekan no opie usu a opie usu a ye ka asem we nyina Ambrose Daddy ankasa
oman ni ko ni say in 2022 na kumase ne wo ho pa but sampan ba mu ho no kumase so te pa no kra ba ko pe
be say the best of John say
early 2024 no mo say ba
be say masem they say when you do a knee-jerk reaction, people were saying, say, Omuko no maba. Mutaka say, Sadia no a thing of the past. Because also no so no a zongo person. And you were nungu nina. Mutaka yo no kremoni unti Ajia chrono crane bia ono wakote no warning. Wakoko no.
Where the misery for whom
misery for whom they who bio. Abisu nam kwa wane kwalai ye kai wo mu ana say omo afiri mu kakra Ambrose Daddy for almost 7 years of found fan okra ayi ba ku isu ba yi gentle giant Henry Kote ono so ba sa ade amu ntakaye no onkan huru say ebi mu be try anye yi enti we ya ye boje ne soro mo mani timo nya ne de say ntintima a match I do about nothing.
Na kumasi abaya bi ne fen Aisha wa makum. O kai akora no.
Ai, akora kokko no. No no go dem so bi afa no.
Oh, Aisha dey say the be Ghana ni.
Chi.
Aisha.
Enya ge kokko no wa.
No katwi na be ka say.
E no te brofo so.
Aisha de ni kwase ma no ko. So.
Wa di baba, wa di.
O say Aisha.
No, but no dey say no. Wo ni bi o.
Me hwe ni sa me hu Aisha.
Utim so obi afa no kra ne te.
Aisha.
And the way obe approach you know.
Aisha dear.
Hey, now what to say?
Me who watch you.
Na they are no pay me need you baby kakra ma me go there. Ana adwuma mu nya ho. Say Aisha na me oh, nyame be mana ye wate.
Na oni ni ndin komo che no so many sika na agya ho.
We so delay no say next person. Now am for so na am for che this papa. Because o siesie no ye.
Oh Aisha.
And ono de nipa on ba e wonya ne ho didi pa.
Na oni omo ji sika no mpanifo no spy wo mo. Wo ji wo ka ni nyom nte wo ji sika no. Na bi fa ba bi pa.
You mo be di no.
Hawa. So mo si abo no. Enti nkwa na je nyina mpanifo ya na o da kọ. No kwa say udi entertainment bia na o sika na kọ sa.
Coalition against Galamsey demands prosecution of Akonta mining. Kanasibe ene ne nkrofo media coalition. Kenasigbe, he's been very consistent, and I have respected Kenasigbe so much. Because whether MPP and NDC, Kenasigbe has stood still. On found party. And I'm saying, I'm afraid, okay, can't also catch on my penny, your mama. So on show forth. Now, did that, Li 2642. Revocation, yeah, amendment. Say, Biana, you call revoke, not that she be there. I bind be here. Over here, with this Emrapana 2019, Abuja Podicom, Rashevi, Jeffy, na cabinet, MPP, would be Prince of Mokoshes Amrawi. Eh, with this Nana Danko Kufuado, Sadia de Wanya Deba, and no Kahubi, and no more Mukocha, Achimota, Efran. Na Santa Minuti, Massimi Dine, Matumi War, no beer tears me warm, so tall, I will say, baby, I want tears in idea. When you are 12 years, a honor, ye manim faname santo or fro. If you know the Acabesa, and called Nintra, yet the Ghana Japadia near pay. Can I see by your pa? Now, Abrante be a singing nicknames of Broy Rashid, one wine, killer, and one wine, Yachano. I don't so to go. I to Ghana, I buy any Interpol, Togo. And I'm going to acquire the private, yeah, the got half force in the bio. As I brought you, we were from Pau. Hey, when you're back at what? Yes, major robbery is legal until Ghana come to prime areas as you can afford the only omode. While Jomu Wajuma now could have Togo nationality in Ghana.
Hey, we're just citizens, yes, allowed.
And I do Bonia and a fee. Omutimi Emma Intel na Togo for the channel. That's why I you know.
Hey. Omuchin be 3 months ago. No more kusie.
I say also they were expediting action na sa Ghana Togo arrangement. I on kasa na yeah, I'm robber o did you about I'm robber. A whole arm robber, a campaign. On kasa. Obetimi aba won chain wa ba be abe din komof ab monitor be 1 month onyi ni so yo no a adobe robo na abu so no a e no so hu so no a obeku be wie ko obeku o ha ni papa. Ghana Health Service confirms 2 new inbox cases, total now 4 in Ghana. Inbox na ede ade
I say san kesi bi
enya yesi monkey pox no. Any of the monkey pox, no?
Monkey, where inbox?
But another name is monkey pox.
Sir,
monkey. Yes, why we are saying Punamo, Sadeo, Sadena, Dibo, Sadeo.
But so I say, our regions, and I say, all this one,
as a former no detective, no time. I hate to say, Asante, Titipano. Na jiba ba foforo
Mampoli
Mampoli Kudesu and no chance and then susu say but no Radi Ghana pa so the Asante if na efin
any bi
na due na yefi
ejie
na yefi and na chemicals e this light you know that time bremen ku no munya chemicals papa ejina akoye nkuto enti time omunya quality chemicals no. What the chemical no, what the include slow to my nephew proper.
Miss Anna, you with Pana, because maybe
one and Cosiano. Now, it do maybe be more expert in the jabo.
And a drone of
Gradina coupon. If you are the yo,
nay, you with tribunal mobile crowd, Roba and Amisa. Now, mobile, Amusuma, you, Musuma Baba, yet pay me. Now, man, I came to us and Omonia pay me, you don't call.
Tommy or pay me,
come on. I'm in the school.
Yes, no.
Almost remember once a Miss Adams of Bacacra. No, it's a million, said, my way come up party.
No, why pay me?
You saw me a payment, a
now, all himself, yes, to say Jenny Jay.
Yeah.
Nay, chemicals are a cum Jenny and Nibi away in Kumu. Anna, if I don't come about Java, mean also, say Yaw. Monday this as you, Miss Ade. Was the end this in the 2 years?
I sweat, we sweat one and go baby.
I only
says I tell you, free.
Yeah, they may call baby na you call me. And up your name trim. Say, oh, we mean na Omuja Puaro, Hane Jena Begua. asante anadwumada edwe wime me tumi na akwani twa me Tokyo jo eno oja ewa se edwe ni nyina begu a
abo mo yesto mo wiase
eno mo to mo bo ama edu anwumre na mada no o ma doso nti o mo
answer a small place more attacks
asante cha hey eti bitimi na ma me sorry you know ode white ayi se ho ko no person hu ade ko eno won asa afi bi no o dwiri ya
hey
edwie pa o dwiri ni nyina agu ye anaje chi ya de twam sakura
almost you sweat no
ye twam sakura
na mo stop on Ghana ha pa ye dwie na so konsu
no so konsu na stop on change o ye dwie just stop so konsu ebrebi papa bi ni monyamfo bi gira wa no obi ti so konsu won the white shirt ani guase bi no ha chesa oh eti pox no yesre mo munya ho adwuma na de we de be gu Ghana for one ni guase minority say tariff hikes ECG are not ding. You see a Ghana for adwuma for kakra bi no ekresu. You see what people tend to forget, they say abajuma for Ghana how many be say 7,000 people enti say yeto aketua ma wo mo a wo mo ye wo mo adwuma no
mo ya manfo so adwuma
ya manfo adwuma no private workers yeto to aketua mti say ye toto adwuma for afibia no
enti me ko meeting ne enko ye trapata
ye ba no me tra ha me afi ever since I'm by and to aketua
trapata committee
ya to aketua ye ni trapata committee bia say wo no obi kotra private employers
it's upon a profit
every edu me bia na bia wo kra akoye negotiation bargaining bi ne de kakra ka ho sankrofo no they feel the pinch papa bosumi ya man 10 million electricity ya tomatum eno masa de meter bia ba Usain Bolt uto ya nasa ena ban asa to ayi watem
but going forward you know with say aban pese yina agidi a he should begin it say leadership by example with regards to the CD appreciation in recent times we go make catch back go say ade e ma ye to pet you know
dollar
appreciation but you go panda Roma in the last few months
as admit that 12.4 12.44
but from the aban me hu say
reflecting what your brabo
so much so then the markets and then the ordinary people on the street so we begin to do that because omakache say see dollar na kwasro sa pa say ometimati so there dey yenim say empire amf conditionalities na kofa we buy but say no etimi appreciate nko ade omunya bibi kakra because omatimi ama petrol yi obi ehun say
petrol car yes Friday it is best meaning say about former
so be 8% sana makan
8%
sana makan
Friday no
Friday no
because na e wo say Friday projection say was about form
and your mind say
which means petrol swati pa
petrol about form I know ni na ye dollar determinant factors and they reflect in penny say tariffs electricity ni water
yes because one key component of electricity hike enema amoso mo dollar no ne ade kofa oil no dollar
and cement say kura say ba form
cement you see a cement na 130 mo say clinker boy dey dollar mo de kofa no so eswati so what is it
on say one abano share say man for hu say ampa the dollar depreciation no it take effect
enya effect o yen
eno na obi so
ebetene de so
sanity and they should start doing
etimi ma say aban jaso gina ba bi o gina no oye meeting say adwadifo nti o mo de ma so dwadini no to electricity ofro car otwika enti na wo say yenya ever say a trickling effect on everything
from the president and from the government. And your man dollar be
I was say ECG 40 me beti na say 14%.
Na nu ya papa ba ko pen kofi ho kofi obuti be ka che dollar ne koso a enu nyina ha wo mo man mutum
esi abafo from the tosu mi no asante Sam George kasa sa bebre dodo ya yetimi data
say Gina Pocasa, I won't do Miano.
Bekai 2019, 2020, 2022, 2023. No all communication hono. Ranking member communication. Or say abide you within the answer on the Oslo Usu data. A go for engine say or multi voice call so in international practice and it's a multi a use so Nigeria no akot to yeah the Jume the Asha won sa or buy no so what interministerial committee on the telcos for Asia na on your musia on your bedi din komo and 5 months 5 months
so far Mahama Mama the ministers na they were done son extraordinary a minister of finance.
Unim so no sna na bebre kra about doubt say
on kasa o papa na ho brasemu
sika bedede
on kasa wono de na waye no ntina say affect all other ministries say asem so
set up
so
tell me how many years go poko agric me who policy
and dem no ya adwen
agric me who she sabe jamfia ye pa na pamper
by gold board
or call a gold board ya last month what timi amama ton go 2.5 billion. And no na Bank of Ghana di mu 459 million. Abe wura economy ni mu. The dollar no. O say obi travel bi ka say international gold bu akosoro. Cocoa akosoro. But gold board within 1 month. O say na MP before complaining say omo buy omo for gold. Ebi meka ho. Debio ye were 32 tons. Ye yesika. Ye de 34 tons. Ye the 2 tons ke ka ho ni enya 34. Ni eniska fa so be na also. Enti aban na ye policy say yam ko dwama so gold bu okosoro. Enti de omunya he no o Ghana ha no. O makoton. O man ton an come the be 2.5 tons be ka ho. O mo ton he no manya 2.5 billion dollars. IMF nya 3 billion penny e pe. So Sabine continue not to be ton gold to say yeah. We will not need IMF. On my page, mama bet me free IMF within a year. I'm telling you.
After this, there will be no any further renegotiation.
Because every year, on bet you gold worth of about 10 billion. That 10 billion pushing oh here bosia. What is all koje bosia? What the yemshe di make a crowd say infrastructure shas here. Omo person omo kettle inflation. Any dollar no. I don't think I'm buying and spending. And then next month the government will start spending. $80 be pay jakakra. It's market volatility. But anamono mutu sesiano. Sabi jemfia yes ye crucify ni. Oko gold board within 1 month too. Ya told gold 2.5 billion.
Omo the gold for forex.
Omo the 459 million. Asiama. Eno de rem. Every month. So to me this car we rem me say dollar be ba 8. I'm telling you Asante.
And I say the Abuama dollar no so you say oh my among for no more was in the dollar account. So the price needs to back from no. They are all being most of them have been compelled to change back to because over 2022 no. Now nipa ni be or see this. Over 100,000 cedis da wa. Ade be china ba be 95,000 because dollar no appreciation was so high. Ade be china ba 90. So to safeguard his events and whatever dollars. No,
aye.
But they say no, the answer is going the other way around.
So they say no. Oh dollar. Oh told. So dollar na yeto. Oh told dollar 16. Oh told 16. They say about 12.
Over time about 12.
Asante $10,000. Oh told 1.6 billion. Say no. So $10,000. Oh told abenya 12.4. What lose 3.6 billion. Abrasikano. Enya juma o.
Sa na the other way round.
Yes. The store of value. Enya dollar bill. Enya Ghana cedi. Eti obi o dollars se ane go or $100,000 ah. No 16 billion. Se see 4 billion a free so. About 12 billion. Ti wudi agro a wote hwa na etiba. Afa be do 10 a, what lose 6 billion wo account um. Abra won kwa unsan kan ye. Unye business bia. It would you store $18? No. You would prefer to change it. Back to CD. It will change it so you buy market.
Now I know
so supply overcomes demand, prices will go down. I buy a strategy no offer all year. And people should stop saying say I buy in your she. On your share, Uti so ade na aye ya wo dollar ne cost.
Me omo kase omo nya hwe me ko hwe naira. Na me se bia the international trade no
affect it. Asante.
Naira says
Asante.
Naira
safer almost all the African countries. I can tell you. Omo bre Nigeria for huna mani papa.
Naira asa kosro kra. Kosro.
Enti the issue is say Donald Trump is say ya other Nigeria of tariffs ni bi nko. Cote d'Ivoire nya bi. African countries ni nya bi. Asem ni nya ne say aban ni bae no. Wa yen hyehyeye bi agu ho enche. It's yielding results.
I'm an investor confidence.
We can make all the noise. Opposition your noise. But me am hey. Matra radio so TV so since 2000. When I see a government trying to do something to change the narrative, I see. You can say whatever. Abani buy no. Nensi say na oil no. It is yielding results. Don't forget we are still in IMF. There are conditionalities. Yet the government is doing well. Donald Trump last year he won in China. So my renegotiations at the tariffs in so. Okay, so and then Naira Omusu. Naira is becoming like paper.
Hey, Naira this year they were bread.
Ghana for Ghana city and the Ghana city. Who's the son 40,000 naira and 100,000 naira? Why you benya Ghana city be 300? But those times enche say Asante see you su Starlink ibi. Median say me turn on Nigeria. Every month we have 40,000 naira. 500 cedis so. Say see no 40,000 naira no. Me say Sam say 350.
And that city I had you.
Asante. But said the only thing is the other side they say export is also going to be expensive.
Exportation.
Ghana and ye nema ye kotono. When the dollar comes down like that, you see the no appreciate ye nema a ton amount so ye kotono so ne boy de. To one ye careful so
ne boy de.
Yeah, that's the market for you.
Ye faswana.
No, export. Our export also.
Aye. Ne boy de.
Aye. The oko kan ye ma ba no. Because of see the appreciation or the dollar kakrebi. Very good. E buy ye you know. And near my bafom ye better ba we never okoton boy de. Oh my
yeah dollar me nya bro.
All the
last be 8 years
dollar no international currency. It affects everything. It is a buy no or ye money jina. But the most important thing is the stability and sustainability.
And no credit.
The dollar no na ye de that so buy no to man that even 12 weeks.
12 in
that bear 1 year 2 years you will see how because the businessman needs to plan and project. That's all. And you be businessmen no say dollar the 16 na a bit too much 1 year crowd they don't have a problem. But and then dollar 12 external go 14. What the government should also understand, they say Yewura July August. A 24 best cranium so they will demand dollar.
Oh my media menu cramine abanya adwunu. Aban bia because him say enema Ghana for Kenya about 80% come from China. China for mudisi dollars.
Omo di yen.
Enti ade enti na yen ponka yenye adwadefo nyami account o Ghana. Wokwa no unko sisi sika no nko yen wo Russia China ho. Na ka dollar na ye because dollar no e high. Yen ye bedi in 1,000 years krana en kosu bia en yen
that wo say aban no more mun create account
yen account
and on for Chinese bank mra preko
and omatimi just because e beboa ama dollar no
na say ga won se sa
dollar bebe
almost sika ko mo di bi om de frɛ no yes o di bi
oh yen nanka ya omo kɔ no because good afford the suggestion by all these years omuntie
senka oko fan nema o China no
omudi yen no so kra
enka yem san Ghana sika no in yen because $6 kra uko ha o san yen ma they make count uko akwaji sika no wo China ho nipa na o sesa ma na uko Guangzhou ye wo hotel bi on friend tomtom o na Ghana for nda pa o na for tomtom anopa na market bi on chen ho no ma uduru ho no ma no ma sesa wo sika no in dollar no in yen It is en ka betima sa Ghana cedis in yena. Na eda ho. Eno kwa de ka obenye ska no more.
Ebe boy.
I don't think it's a bad idea.
Where's the young day? Where's the Sebesebio, Minister of Trade and Industry?
It's not just say Ghana near all costs all carbon on the $100.
$100 pressure on the dollar.
Because yen is available.
And a yen so now they
go to near
China. Now what the US dollars? Yeah, there with China. So until we send him out and send him away, and Adeba come here, Boakye, to my refinery. On so, I'm individuals import to refine crude, you know. A month for us who are breaching on Madeba. Into my dollar no de cofava. A buying ya can't say crude, you know. Montimin refiner cry, I don't know what buying. What tanks? A walk to my refinery. What the old man cranning of family go mom. Now, woman, yes, baby. Some moment to me in final copper. Whatever could manner and crank refining crude, you know. No one not dollar and a cofabano.
So instead of refined crude, ne fiaman, you know. And Cayenne for crude now, yeah, refining. Now, yeah, refining. Now, machine to refine away, Asante.
Oh, my Temahonity, or much you. No, the can say, see, or the can say. Someone refine Abia 1 barrel of the crude, maybe 50 a food diesel, this animal now. Oh, maybe you know. Oh, now a baby fano. What you say?
Asante, Asem so say.
No.
Asem so say. Industry players, you know. Majority of them. They finance government into power. Enti Orlando and the Sika boa me mama buy. Enti aba NDC free to 2016. Na omo lifting oil near a year 14. Na na do free to na 34.
Say say omo abanada for moduma baby yenza.
There be 14 you dey be be ka no more. 34. 14 you got 34 20 na be ka ho enti we obey ye obi on mo party ni a ye be yina frim enti o man na ye de bi asem 34
yesu say nyina ye ni say o ye ka say electric oil na o mo de o mo barracks and fence o mo tankers na ko temare refinery
this time around
after there enti o man say there no the dollar
industry players are o ye party ni a ono ho no nya ni twobo eti aban no eye de boa wo.
Why are you letting few people enjoy
and then Asante no ni agree
tom esum premo fueli akosura
now the Ghana you can obi lift oil obi cra oil oye sikani cause the industry is money beyond power. Eti government ni party financiers, majority of them they are oil people.
And I'm saying yeah refine crude intino almost butimen quota no
e ho aten e ko fa bi o Cote d'Ivoire
e ko fa free Cote d'Ivoire
time anatema refine ye adwuma no o te se quota na aviation fuel kerosene na e dey iframa aeroplane no tamari refinery na supply
and ko na omu hia because the place
so no so today yeah exporting po oh anybody share. What is Nigeria for the past 2 years? Omo asalai because Dangote refinery has come into play. One individual Dangote any oil refinery by politicians ne kontokwa ne ade a Omanhene de ne Nigeria ho no ma omo ma ne kwan no and then Nigeria oil say petrol asan etwa Dangote refining oil Nigeria to support abine the Nigeria for 2 years ni acha every 6 months Nigeria for kosala is omo koto petrol eto acha companies omo ye te say Interplus no mo ne Polytank no mo ne nyina oil
sa rubber
clean car no mo ne ade nyina ye be free oil it is obi oil refinery countries now omo wasika no Saudi Arabia no mo ne ade no oil refinery their crews don't go out omo tu no ma refinery no ma ton sika Nigeria ho kira no mo fa mu nyina se no mo ni oil refinery kese Dangote CB no na se omo ye bi otama se China for the refinery kitwa bi and to be so moyen aban tamari refinery sa aban revive tamari refinery oil ho sem to obetwa but they will not do it
say crude per oil barrel of the crude no be $64-63 per barrel
which means Ghana for yes
ton that 1 gallon bear 20 cedis. I don't know for more Ghana for a brother no.
Adante, Obama bread because I was a cabin bottom. Your financing, no. I was so did
debut on my head. Look, Abufua, I want you or Ghana for Muno. Say, fool at their way because here on my Jesus one. A Kenyatia a butter for a coins and a for a you.
And a 10 cities.
Coins.
10 cities.
Coins 50 pesos, 70 pesos.
Acquire to say, acquire a booby.
A day
from a top hole. And almost see, and almost more from so upper quine. Eti Orlando, your trotro driver. Unim says sales are all yes, you. Yet to petrol ma sales are a taxi driver, a yeno, yet to petrol swa the same sales no you. And so obey reason. Pass now auto. Sales no the command no. And you own a coto pass. On a ben or top pass or some coto pass into my 2 sales. They don't do it. Say taxi driver here 150 here. Be about 2 years, granny and 2 more 150. You better petrol so sales never cut taxi driver the bottom. You 2 penna mu count 3.
Say him and that before we first dollar maybe say crude no call 130 no 120 nya okay. Yeah, 125. You turn petrol no 70 cedis. That be na 35. Why? Go 40 so about 35. That it tells you say enye price na cost no
and aban so obey.
Aban the beti me ya me say some refine because you tamaro refine see you. No my refine crude bia ho pa odwuma wo ye ni say.
Na wa GMP.
Lebo you GMP.
Me say integrated aluminium. Integrated aluminium CEOs na e fa wo no. Catered report. Ya fa CEOs and Tiomoka. Asanti China
GMPC.
Emba ni Orlando ba. Ya kobra.
We say na ma we nyina.
Emba ni Orlando ba. Ghana de. Ombo twie condemn sa. Orlando metra se ma yadwuma.